Mrs. Walker, this is Scott Thompson from Thompson and Partners. I'm calling about your late husband's will. I felt a small flicker of hope. His will? I didn't know he had one. Yes, ma'am. Mr. Walker came to see us about 5 months ago. He asked that we contact you in the event of his passing. I scheduled an appointment for the next day, my mind spinning. Why hadn't Paul told me about this? What did it mean? The next morning, I wheeled Dad into Mr. Thompson's office. The lawyer greeted us warmly, his kind eyes crinkling at the corners. Mrs. Walker, Mr. David, thank you for coming in, he said, gesturing for us to sit near his desk. I'm sorry for your loss. Mr. Thompson opened a file on his desk. Now, as I mentioned on the phone, your husband came to see us to draft his will. He was very clear about his wishes. I held my breath as Mr. Thompson began to read. I, Paul Walker, being of sound mind, do hereby leave all my worldly possessions to my beloved wife, Julie Walker. I gasped, and Dad's grip on my hand tightened. Mr. Thompson continued.